If you've been seeing AI-generated video clips flooding your timeline lately and wondering what tool is behind them, there's a good chance it's Seedance 2. This model dropped earlier this year, and honestly, the internet has not been the same since. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it can do, from text to video to image to video, and we're testing it across action, cinematic, drama, and romance scenes. Let's get into it. This is the main interface of iMini AI. As you can see, there are multiple AI tools available for your projects. And if you scroll down, you'll also find a variety of ready-made templates you can jump into right away, which is great if you don't want to start from scratch. In this video, we are going to focus mainly on Seedance 2. You can find video on the side panel, go ahead and click on it. Once you get here, click on Models and select Seedance 2 from the options. For this demo, I will be using Seedance 2 Fast. Now, type or paste in your prompt. I'll be using a man in a black leather jacket sprints across a rain-soaked rooftop at night, helicopter spotlight chasing him, cinematic 2K film grain. Then I'll choose 8 seconds for the duration, leave the aspect ratio at 16:9, set the resolution to 480p, and click Create. While that video is generating, I'll go ahead and start the next one. Let me quickly paste the second prompt, keep all the settings the same as the first, and hit Create. Now we just give it a moment to do its thing. Alright, let's look at the results. I think the video quality and detail look pretty good, but the man could move a bit faster, honestly. For a rooftop chase scene, you'd expect a little more urgency. That said, the lighting and atmosphere are on point. Now let's move on to the next one. Oh wow, now this is what I was talking about. The detail in this is incredible. Look at the camera cuts. Look at how clean those punches are landing. The motion is smooth, the timing feels real. This is honestly the kind of output I was hoping to see from Seedance 2. That is impressive. Now that we've seen how Seedance 2 handles action scenes, let's switch things up and test its cinematic side. Specifically, I want to see how well it handles camera movement and scene composition, because that is where a lot of AI video tools fall short. So I'll clear the previous prompt and paste my cinematic prompt, which says 360-degree camera orbit around a woman sitting at a cafe table on a cobblestone street, people blurred in background, sharp subject, natural lighting. For the duration, I'll choose 8 seconds, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and leave the resolution at 480p. Let's give it a few seconds to generate and see what comes out. Okay, that actually came out really well. The camera movement is smooth, the subject stays sharp while the background stays beautifully blurred, and the whole scene just feels cinematic. The cobblestone street, the lighting, the natural feel of it, Seedance nailed this one. That's a clean result. Alright, before we jump into the next part, I want to quickly say, if you're finding this video helpful so far, go ahead and drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel. And let me know in the comments which of these scenes impressed you the most, because I'm curious to see what you all think. Now let's keep going because I've got 2 videos generating at the same time, one drama and one romance. So let's see how those turn out. I'll clear the current prompt and paste my drama prompt, leaving all the settings as they are. Then click Create. While that one is generating, let me paste the romance prompt. For this one, I'll bump the duration up to 9 seconds, leave everything else as is, and click Create. Now let's see what we've got from both. The drama scene came out with a strong mood. The lighting, the expressions, the overall tone of the scene, it all feels intentional. You can actually feel the weight of the moment, which is exactly what a good drama clip should do. Now let's take a look at the romantic scene. Oh wow, Seedance 2 really delivered here. The softness of the scene, the way the light falls, the natural movement, it genuinely looks like something pulled from a film. I was not expecting it to look this good, especially at 480p. Really solid result. Now we've covered text to video across action, cinematic, drama, and romance, and the results have been solid across the board. But there's one more thing I want to test, and honestly, it might be the most impressive feature of all: image to video. This is where you take a still image and let Seedance bring it to life with motion. Let's see how it handles that. All you have to do here is click on image to video at the top, then select your model, which in this case is Seedance 2. Then click on start frame and select the image you want to animate. I'll paste my prompt, which says, animate him completing the jump, body arcing forward, coat flapping in the wind, landing hard on the opposite rooftop with a skid, camera tracking fast alongside him, city lights blurring below. For the duration, I'll go with 8 seconds, set the resolution to 480p, and click create. While that one is generating, I'll clear the current image and upload the next one. Since it's a fight scene, I want it to run a bit longer, so I'll set the duration to 14 seconds. Leave the remaining settings as they are and click create. Then I'll select my last image and paste my final prompt, which says, animate dust slowly swirling around the astronaut's boots, the ringed planet rotating faintly in the sky, camera pulling back to reveal the full barren landscape, eerie ambient sound. I'll set the duration to 8 seconds and click create. Let's look at the first result. Okay, I don't know what this man is doing, but he is definitely not jumping. He looks like he's doing some kind of slow motion hop, like he borrowed Hulk's movement but forgot to bring the speed. That's not quite the dramatic rooftop leap I had in mind. The prompt clearly didn't translate the way I wanted it to, but that's part of testing, and it's good to know where the limits are. Now let's check on the astronaut. Okay, this one is stunning. The dust swirling around the boots looks so real. The planet in the background has this slow, eerie rotation to it, and when the camera pulls back and reveals the full landscape, it just hits different. The scale of it, the isolation, the atmosphere, Seedance absolutely nailed this one. Easily one of the best results of the entire video. And finally, let's see the sword fight. Honestly, this one didn't land the way I hoped. The motion feels off, and the scene doesn't carry the impact you'd expect from a sword fight. What's interesting is that looking back at all the results today, the scenes where the characters are using their bare hands, like the punching and action clips, those came out far more convincingly than this. It seems like Seedance handles natural human movement better than weapon-based combat, at least for now. And that's a full look at Seedance 2 on iMini AI. We tested it across action, cinematic, drama, romance, and image to video, and overall the results speak for themselves. Some clips were genuinely jaw-dropping. A couple didn't quite land, but that's honest testing, and I'd rather show you the real experience than just the highlights. If you want to try Seedance 2 yourself, the link is in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe because I cover AI tools like this regularly and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Drop a comment letting me know which scene was your favorite. I'll be reading through them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.